Today we will be discussing probability. Probability is basically the possibility of an event happening. Like what is the possibility of you having a jar of marbles, you picking a blue one or a red one? What is the possibility of if you pick up blocks, if you pick up a triangle versus a square? There are certain instances where the probability will always be the same. Like rolling a dice, it'll always be 1 out of 2. So as far as the probability, the way of finding these is counting the total amount of whatever it is you have versus what is the possibility of picking a particular portion of what you already have. So I have here 7 pencils. Okay. Out of these 7 pencils, there are different possibilities of a color you will pick. So you see some are blue, some are pink, some are yellow, and green as well. So there are 7 in total. And the way that we would document the possibility is in the form of a fraction. The denominator will always be the total amount of what you have. The total amount of pencils we have are 7. So there are 7 pencils here. So what is the possibility of these 7 pencils that you will get a pink pencil? So we're going to count this together. There's 1, 2 pink pencils. So out of 7 pencils, there are 2 pink. So the possibility of us picking pink pencils is 2 out of 7 because 7 is the total amount of pencils we have. Okay, we're going to do another example. What is the possibility of you picking a yellow pencil? There is 1 yellow pencil. So that is 1 out of 7 chance of you getting a yellow pencil. So that would be 1 over 7. So let's take a look at the green pencils. There's 1, there's 1, 2 green pencils. So the possibility of you getting green pencils is the same possibility of you getting pink, which is going to be 2 over 7. So the way that we would document this, we'll write this down, is for pink, there were 2 pink pencils. So we'll have 2, but the total was 7, which is the denominator. The denominator will always be the total amount of what you have. The numerator will be what you are trying to get the possibility of. So what is the possibility of pink? As we discussed, it was 2 pink and 7. It was 2 pink pencils out of 7 in total. So it'll be 2 over 7. The same goes for the yellow. There was only 1 yellow pencil. So there will be 1 over 7. Okay, so there's a 1 out of 7 chance that you will get a yellow pencil. The same for green. So it will be 2 green pencils out of 7 total. So it's 2 over 7. As we were discussing earlier, with certain instances, the probability will always be the same. So out of like heads or tails, there's 2 sides to every coin, but there's only 1 head, only 1 tail. So it's going to be always going to be a 1 out of 2 chance. So it's 1 head, 1 tail. So there's 1 head, 1 tail. So there's 1 out of 2 chance you'll get heads or tails, which is 50-50. So we can also use our class as an example. There are 11 students here. 5 students are boys, 6 are girls. So if someone was to come and randomly pick someone out of the class, there is a 5 out of 11 chance that it will be a boy. Or there will be a 6 out of 11 chance that it will be a girl. So basically, no matter what situation you look at in life, there is possibilities in everything. Like if you decide, okay, you get a crate of milk. Let's just say out of the crate of milk, there are 5 total milks and you want chocolate. There are only 3 chocolate and 2 white milks. Your probability of getting chocolate milk is a 3 out of 5 chance versus a 2 out of 5 chance of you getting white milk. So no matter what we do in life, remember, there's always a possibility of one event happening over another, which is possibility, which is probability. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over more examples, and any thing that we do concerning possibility, it will always be in the form of a fraction. Remember, the denominator is always the total amount, and the numerator is the amount of the object you are wanting to locate the possibility for.